morning, friends. This video is for educational purpose only. If you want to take trades on this trading idea, please consult your financial advisor. So let's discuss some of the trading ideas for 11th September trades. Uh, bef- Before starting that, let's see Nifty. On Nifty, we expected on 31st August trade, Nifty to go somewhere around 11,800 to 12,000 and then find a resistance, and we were expecting that Nifty will take a pause at this zone, and Nifty has taken a pause. In fact, prior to that, at around 11,800, the reason was it was having a previous consolidation zone, so this zone will act as a resistance, and the same has happened, and Nifty has corrected from this uh, with a reason of some tension between India and China. So there was a brutal fall from almost 11,800 to almost 11,150, but at this level, 11,150 to 11,200, multiple times there was a consolidation zone, so this zone has acted as a support as of now, and Nifty has rebounded from this level, and now uh, after this consolidation today it opened gap up and have sustained this gap up and closed on a positive note. Going further, this 11,500 to 11,600, which is again a consolidation zone from where after this fall it tried to bounce back and took a resistance and again started its fall from this level and opened gap down and then started its downward move. So this particular level 11,500 to 11,600 will be an crucial level, and Nifty will try to challenge this level, but then we have to see whether if it succeeds, then we can expect a very good up move with immediate target of 11,800 going further, and if it doesn't, then it may again take a pause and uh, return back from this level, and again maybe up to same level 11,150 it will hover in this range. But if it hovers and spends some time in this zone, then it's good because it will be forming a base, and that base will help Nifty to have a good upside move. One more thing, in today's move, if you see, the whole strength maximum part is taken by Reliance, and it was like Reliance was taking the Nifty on higher side. So we'll have to see how the other stocks perform in coming days. So if they also start performing, then we can see a very good upside in Nifty. From the option data on Nifty, we can see the maximum put addition is at 11,300 and 11,400 level. So that means this is going to act as a good support, 11,300 to 11,400, and maximum call addition we can see at 11,500, that is maximum call open interest we can see at 11,500. So if 11,500 to 11,600 is taken out, then the next maximum call open interest we are able to see at 12,000. So there is no major call open interest up to 12,000. So this 11,500 to 11,600 will act as a good resistance zone, but once this is taken out, then we can see a very good up move, and downside at every level we can see addition of put open interest. That means we can expect a good support on downside on Nifty. And if we see for today's change in open interest, we can say that maximum put open interest is getting added at 11,300 and 11,400. That means maximum people are expecting that Nifty will not go below this 11,400 and 11,300. So they have added they have sold 11,300 and 11,400 puts. That means this is going to form a good base. So based on the present data, these are the levels we are expecting in Nifty, that is 11,300, 11,400 as a good support, and 11,500 to 11,600 as a good resistance. But once this is taken out on either side, there can be a, very good move on either side. So this is on Nifty based on the option data. So for 11 September trading setup, let's see a few stock. First is Bharti. Actually, Bharti, if you see from this consolidation zone, it took a resistance, and during this recent fall, it has fallen from almost 560 level to almost 490 level. That means almost 50 points fall is there, which is almost 10%. So stock has corrected almost 10%, and during this correction, we can observe that it was moving in a particular channel. So now it is in a consolidation phase. It is moving sideways, and it has broken this channel, and now after going up again came down and took a support with the trend line of this channel, and now trying to inching up. So this is based on 1 hour chart. So if we see on a little finer chart, we can see that this particular zone, almost 508 to 490, is a consolidation zone. So once this zone is taken out on either side, we can expect a very good movement. So based on that, we can have a trade in this Bharti Airtel. That means if it breaks 490, then we can see a level of 446 to 413 if the fall extends further. But considering the risk reward, we can initiate a buy once this 508 is taken out, with 590 as a stop loss, and immediate target we can expect 528 and 548 going further. So this can be a very good risk reward trade. And on downside again, with breaking this 490 level with this 508 as a stop loss, the same trade we can continue for downside also. The next is Berger Paint. Berger Paint, if you see, it's forming a very good structure. The reason is, after this fall and after this run up, this was the zone where the fall started in February, March, and it was with a consolidation. So now the stock has come back to this zone. So it was obvious that it will take a resistance, and the same has happened, and it has taken a resistance. And after this run up, it started its downturn from almost 581. It took a resistance and did a correction of almost 10% to 535, and again from this 535, since this was the consolidation zone, if you see, this was the consolidation zone, means the stock has spent a lot of time in this zone, so it was forming a base. So when the stock came to this level, this was the first time when it came, so it took a support, then again rebound from this level. So it took a resistance at 581, and when it came down, it took a support at this consolidation zone, that is almost at 535, and bounced back. And then again in this vicinity, it has consolidated, that is almost from 565 to 550 level. It has spent a lot of time, and it has formed a base, and now it has given a breakout from this consolidation. So we can expect that it will give a good up move. But then going further, this 576 to 588 level, this is a zone where previously there was a consolidation and the stock has moved down from this level. So uh, definitely at this level the stock will spend some time or will find a resistance, but once this is taken out, then this stock is going to fly. So in that, the first target will be 605, and going further we can expect furthermore upper levels in this stock once this consolidation zone is taken out. But on downside, 550 will be the stop loss, because this is the lower range of the consolidation, and once this is taken out, then we can expect a downfall with the first level of 535, and going further 517 is the second level. So based on this, we can take a trade in Berger Paint, but then we expect a bullish move in this. Another reason is that the stock is following this 200 EMA average line as a trend line, and it is not going below this. That means this line is acting as a support. So now again, this consolidation was at this 200 moving average, and from there it has bounced, so we can expect a good up move. But based on the levels, we'll take a trade. Next stock is Bata. In Bata also, if you see from this consolidation zone in August, it started its up move and went up to almost 1392, and then from 1392 it has fallen up to 1257. That means almost 150 points, which is almost more than 10%. And now, if this stock takes support at this consolidation zone, it should take a support, because this is a consolidation zone and it will act as a support. So 1246 to 1228, this can act as a good support, and it can bounce back from this level. So if it takes a supports and gives a indication of an up move, we will initiate a trade with the immediate target of 1294, and going further 1327 as our short-term targets. Now, since this is on 1 hour chart, our positions will be for few days or maybe for a week. So this is on Bata India. Another stock is Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, if you see, it is forming a very good structure. Again, the same story is there. After a fall, uh, it is moving in a narrow range, consolidation range, but this consolidation is from almost 2nd September it has started, and it's almost a week. It is moving in a narrow range. So once this level is taken out, that is 2930 level is taken out broadly, then we can expect first target of 3000, going further 3060, and even the upper targets of 3135, 3140 can also be seen. uh, and if we want to take intraday trade, then 2880 can be our stop loss, but for positional we will have 2849 as our stop loss, and with this small stop loss we can expect a good reward. So the risk reward is very attractive in Bajaj Auto. Same is the case in Hero Moto. Same story is there. A fall moving in a consolidation zone, and this consolidation is happening at a level, crucial level, which is the previous natural support zone, because from here only it has taken a resistance in previous move. So this time this resistance will act as a support, and the same is happening. So multiple times recently it has taken a support from this level and has bounced back, and after this consolidation now it has given a breakout, again came down at this level, and again tried to go up. So this consolidation breakout, we can expect that this is a confirmation of the breakout. So once is this broader range of 2990 is taken out, we can expect a good up move, maybe up to 3150. The another reason for this bullish expectation is that 200 moving day average, 200 EMA is getting crossed by this 20 EMA. So once this crossover is happened, so we can expect a good move, and we can take a trade on buy side on this Hero Moto, and we will have 2850 as our stop loss, and if this is taken out, then we can expect a downside maybe up to 2750 level. So this is Hiromoto. Next is Concor. In Concor, for short term, that is for tomorrow's trading, for 11th September intraday trading, we can expect a small uh, fall in the stock. But going further, 345 the level which last time also we expected in August 10, that if it comes at this level, then we will initiate a buy. But then now it is approaching at that level, and this level is crucial because this is the previous consolidation zone where the stock has spent a lot of time, and after breaking this consolidation, the up move has started. So now again it is approaching at the same level. So we expect that if it takes support at this level, then that can be a good trade, a buy trade with a small stop loss, and we can expect a level of 378, next 390, and going further again 400 to 415 level can also be seen. So based on this level we will enter in Concor, but that will be a short-term trade, in fact for intraday or maybe for 1 or 2 days. The next stock is Bharat Forge. Again, Bharat Forge, after a fall, after this consolidation, it has broken this consolidation on a downside, but then did not go down, and again a second consolidation has happened, and this is a very narrow consolidation which has happened. So this is on 15 minutes time frame, so we can expect an intraday trade on this. Since it has given a breakout from this consolidation, we can expect immediate target of 468, but then if this broader consolidation is taken out, so we can expect a further level of 484 and 492 with a stop loss of narrow range of this lower range of this narrow consolidation, that is around 454. We can have a stop loss and we can enter a buy position in Bharat Forge. So these are the few stocks for keeping on radar for trade on 11th September. So wish you all the best, and please do trade with proper stop loss and proper level. Thank you.